Bringing you stories from Bihar. Breaking news, in fact, Bihar businessman and BJP leader Gopal Khemka, one of the biggest businessmen of Bihar, as well as the BJP leader, has been murdered. In this clip, you can see around 30 seconds in which two cars arrived near Gopal Khemka's residence. Gopal Khemka, who was in the car, has been approached by assailants, armed assailants right outside of his house, who were already lying in wait to open fire on him. After firing on him, they in fact fled on a bike. As you can see, those are the visuals of the car outside, of course, the bike outside Mr. Gopal Khemka's house as he had just arrived at his residence. Let's in fact listen in to what the officials as well as my colleague Prabhakar has to say on this.
4 तारीख की रात में 11 बजे के आसपास गांधी मैदान के साउथ एरिया में यह सूचना मिली है कि अपार्टमेंट के सामने जो बिजनेसमैन है गोपाल खेमका जी, उनको चोट लगने से गोली लगने से मृत्यु हो गई है। जैसे इसकी सूचना पुलिस को मिली है हॉस्पिटल में, तो वहाँ पे पुलिस पहुँच गई थी। यहाँ पे सीन को सिक्योर किया गया है और बाकी की जांच पड़ताल की जा रही है। कैमरा से इत्यादि खंगाले जा रहे हैं। बाकी की कार्रवाई आगे की जाएगी। एक गोली और एक खोखा बरामद हुआ है, जिसको विधिवत जब्त किया जा रहा है।
A leading businessman of Patna, Gopal Khemka, has been shot dead yesterday at around 1:30 in the night when he was returning from a Bankipur club in Patna, and we are right now standing at his residence. This is a residence at Patna's Gandhi Maidan. You can see this apartment out here. Gopal Khemka used to stay here with the family. And if I could just show you the spot here, this is where he was actually shot dead. He was driving his own vehicle and he was returning from Patna's Bankipur club at around 1:30 in the night, and the assailants, the criminals, they were waiting here on a motorbike. The moment he stopped at this particular gate and the guard actually tried to open the gate, they came near this car. This is the car which he was driving, and if I could just show you, it still has the blood stains all over. So this is where he was sitting, the driving seat, and you can see the blood stains on the seats. He just waited. He just honked at his door, at the door of his apartment, and the guard was coming out to open the door when the assailants actually came. The criminals came and they shot him from the point blank range. Gopal Khemka was a leading industrialist of Bihar, a leading business family of Bihar, and his son Gunjan Khemka was shot in a very similar fashion around 7 years back in the industrial area of Hajipur, which is very near to Patna. So this is the second killing in the family, and this killing has actually given opportunity to the opposition parties to attack the government. They are calling it a complete lawlessness situation, complete lawless situation, and the government is under attack on this killing, which has shocked everyone here.